Saving money like the wealthy involves adopting strategic financial habits and a long-term perspective. Start by creating a comprehensive budget that outlines your income and expenses, allowing you to identify areas where you can cut costs. Focus on distinguishing between needs and wants, prioritizing essential expenses while minimizing discretionary spending. Consider investing a portion of your income to build wealth over time. Research various investment opportunities such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds to find options that align with your financial goals. Wealthy individuals often diversify their investments to mitigate risk and enhance returns. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers to a high-interest savings account or investment account. This practice ensures that saving becomes a consistent habit rather than an afterthought. Be mindful of lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, resist the urge to significantly increase your spending. Instead, focus on increasing your savings and investments. Additionally, seek opportunities for passive income such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks to supplement your earnings without additional effort. Networking with financially savvy individuals can also provide valuable insights and motivation. Continually educate yourself about personal finance and investment strategies, enhancing your financial literacy. By implementing these practices, you can cultivate the mindset and habits that contribute to long-term financial success, allowing you to save money like the rich.